Sometimes I don't remember the streets. I'm a little lost because I'm very confused. No, no, I don't remember. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's good. It's cool. Huh?
What are the
I'm sorry.
Hindi na tayo pwede magkain ng french fries? Bakit hindi na pwede magkain ng french fries?
Peut-être Ronaldinho, vieille.
Patuloy ka ng Pinas?
Umuwi tayo sa Pinas. Umuwi tayo sa Pinas. Si Mama ayaw niya. Si Mama ayaw niya ako. Ayaw na mag-uwi sa Pinas. Kasi mag-uwi sa
Yeah, midnight. And I'm home alone.
Saka ayaw na pumunta sa Pinas kasi hindi pa tapos ang bahay sa Pinas.
Vieille.
Sabi ni Mama, pagka uuwi na si Tita Marisa sa Pinas, palupya. Palupa.
Pompia.
Saka pagka uuwi si Tita Marisa sa Pinas, idadalhin na daw ako sa may Pinas.
I have one.
Ipapasabay niya ako.
It's good because sometimes
Sabi,
Ganito natin buhok mo ganun.
also
yung
Ay, lagi ng glue yun.
sabi ni Mama, pagka pupunta si Tita Marisa, Ma, what is the word that changed? What is word that changed?
Oh, lolo. May dumaan.
yeah, I know it. But I think sometimes
Hindi mabito
I think it's like a show. No problem. Sometimes no problem. And I know. They enter and start saying, oh, the car. And they start talking to people.
Look, nakastop. Kasi naka-red.
It's complicated. It's a too big list. No. If you have to fail, that's It's more easy
Just
than
be yourself.
No. It's only one year.
I'm just gonna be myself and buy ice cream.
Yeah.
Just be yourself. Does that mean I'm just gonna be myself and I'm gonna buy ice cream with
Very clear. This street is so good.
我是男孩，肉一次，肉一次。
You are 54 years old. No, 53.
63.
63? How are you so simple?
Pagdating mag-toothbrush ka.
Mabilis. Nandito na pijama ko. Ito na. Pijama ko.
May.
Nabidyoan niya.
Sige, ako sisigaw dito maya. Sisigaw ako dito maya.
Prochaine gare Pierre, corrispondant SNCF.
Corrispondenza con i treni della SNCF.
Hindi pa tayo dito. Diyan magsito.
Thank you.
Why are you following me? Bakit sinapollow natin ang tram?
Nag-stop pa talaga. Ay, lala.
Mama, look. Ow. 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 Mama, that hurt. Mama, that hurt. Run.
Wait, wait. Ganda. Oh. Linaw ng iPhone talaga ka.
Yes, I know. Okay, run. Stop. No. No, the car's gonna be mad. The car's gonna be mad. The car's gonna be mad.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.
What does KFC mean?
What?
What does KFC mean? It means
Không hề phát trôi.
what does BMW mean? BMW means BW
BMW? What does BMW means?
B buang ang mama mo. Ano yung buong ang mama mo? Sabi ni mama, BMW means buong ang mama mo. Mama, what does Toyota mean? Mama, what does Toyota mean? Mama, what does Toyota mean? Toyota. What does
€2.
Toyota? What does Toyota mean?
So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami.
What does kakafufu kaka? What does kakafufu kaka mean?
Oh, I'm so sleepy.
Me, not me.
It's already 11. What time is it?
I'm just chilling.
11:30 at night. So, ayan, pauwi na kami ni Jomel. Duman ako ng itlog doon. At least, naabutan ko yung Carrefour na open. So, ayan, during the day talaga wala akong oras. Kasi ubos ng aming itlog ni Jomel. Kapag nagluto ka ng kanin, di, sabayan mo ng itlog, ha? Para isang lagaan na siya. Hindi ka nag-open ng fire doon? Ha? Hindi ka nag-open?
See. Hindi ako nagluto mag-tungkal.
Mm.
Saborita, Mackenzie, you are Mackenzie, you look like Mackenzie, I look like... You look like Mackenzie. You are Mackenzie.
Muswa!
Mackenzie. You look like Mackenzie.
So, ayan, napaka-safe
Your
naman
name
maglakad
is
dito.
Mackenzie. You look like Mackenzie.
Miso Doni.
How are you?
Yung bagong ano yan. Oh.
Mason Duni.
How do you pronounce?
Showroom bago yan.
How do you pronounce? Misong? O Mison? Misong o Mison? Thank you for watching, everyone. So, we are here down of our
Paano ni
place.
Nanay Malas ang ano?
Baswa! So, this is the place where we live. It's beautiful here. And this is my plants. Forest, guys. This is my plants. Oh, ayan, tataba ng aking mga tanim, oh, di ba? So, hindi ko alam bakit naninilaw itong aking tanim dito. Sira, ah. So, ganito, ito yung nagugustuhan ko sa apartment namin dahil lalabas ka lang, ayan, open mo lang yung bintana, pero ay natatanaw ka na. So, ito yung hindi siya boring na party ng aming buhay dito sa France. Unlike ng ibang apartment na sobrang taas, tapos hindi mo, wala kang makikita na ano. So ito gustong gusto ko. Ito muna gustuhan ko dito. Kasi kahit maliit lang to, pero gusto ko. So ayan. 'Di ba kahit gabi na dito, busy pa rin yung ano France. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support, guys. Good night.